Hello, and welcome to Simple English Avenue. Today, we will practice 50 daily use English sentences. I will speak slowly and clearly. First, listen carefully. Then, repeat after me. Do not worry about mistakes. Just speak. Are you ready? Let's begin. Part 1. Basic daily sentences. Good morning. How are you? I am fine. Nice to meet you. What is your name? My name is... Where are you from? I am from... How old are you? I am learning English. Please speak slowly. I do not understand. Can you repeat that? Thank you very much. You are welcome. Part 2. Daily routine sentences. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I get ready for work. I go to school. I eat breakfast. I drink water. I feel tired. I need some rest. I am busy right now. I will call you later. I am on my way. Please wait a moment. I am almost finished. See you tomorrow. Part 3. Useful conversation sentences. What do you think? That sounds good. I agree with you. I don't think so. That's a good idea. I am not sure. Let me think. No problem. It depends. I understand now. That makes sense. I am excited. I am nervous. I am happy today. I feel better now. Part 4. Confidence-building sentences. I can do this. I believe in myself. I will never give up. Every day I improve. I speak English with confidence. Very good. You did an amazing job today. Remember, fluency does not come in one day. It comes from daily practice. Listen every day, speak every day, repeat every day. If you practice these sentences for 7 days, you will feel more confident. This is Simple English Avenue. Listen slow, speak better. See you in the next lesson.